Ugandans, we're still going on further. First of all, you should know that we are on our own right now because the government has taken over Ugandans, number one, in very various aspects of our lives, by the way, spiritually, financially, emotionally, mentally. You know, we are being cocooned in a box that it can only be the intelligent people to see this. I went to French supermarket in Chigowa and in Ntinda. I bought a few things, so I went to pay. When I went to pay, they actually gave me change, and the change had 30 cents. My balance was 30 shillings. So I expected my 70 shillings back. So I waited at the counter and asked, can I have my balance? It's like, no, we don't have that much money. So I asked them, if you do not have 70 cents, why do you then include 30 cents? That is an indirect way of robbing from us. Imagine if 100 people go to French supermarket and that is done to them on a daily basis. How much money are those people walking away from? That is an indirect way, an invisible, silent way of robbing from Ugandans. Another silent robber from Ugandans are spiritual parastatals. Yeah? All these churches you're seeing that are looming up right now, I'm sorry, I'm not attacking Grace. It's actually Fanero. I attended one of their services because I was very inquisitive. Only to reach there, they were introducing government officials, and I expected to hear from Pastor Grace that to talk about to advise them, to tell them, bro, the government is becoming worse and worse every day. The injustice, at least, okay, he has not come out publicly, but he's addressing these things to them. But my God, they are not. The land that was given to Fanero Church belonged to our parents. Myself, my mom, my uncles were government workers in the period of Obote and Amin. They were staying in those Naguru estates. What did they do to those to the estate? They actually lied to our parents and told them that when you leave this place, we are going to build and you shall be recalled back to assume the houses. But now the land has been given to Fanero. You know, people are still homeless. These people are fighting for survival. You know, is that one way of appreciating people that have worked for government? I mean, Ugandans, you need to wake up. And there's a system also in church that what are they doing? When you go to church, they'll ask for your email address, they'll ask for your passport size, they'll ask for how much money you earn as your monthly salary. So they will have a tracking, they will track your finances, how you bring your tenth, your tithe. Remember, the Bible says, when the right hand giveth, let not the left know. So you're not supposed to even give those people your information. So that's why they have manipulated you in all ways. So every time there's a mission in a church, they will call you. You think they love you so much. They don't love you. They already know how much you earn, and they know how much they will manipulate you to give them. You know, you people need to wake up, Ugandans. When we tell you that this government has mastered the art of manipulation, this is what we are talking about. Yeah, and they are in different sectors of our lives. Yeah. So Ugandans, wake up. January 2026, on the 15th, we are having elections. Let's rally behind Robert SENTAMU's KYAGULANYI and we change this nation. Let's uproot this system of the Bahima Tusi Museveni government plan and let it collapse from the very root, never to be remembered in this nation.